We all know that Germany lost both the world wars. But that's an impressive feat. Losing two world wars is not an easy task. After being defeated in the First World War, Germany paid the harsh Treaty of Versailles. And after being defeated in the Second World War, Germany paid even harsher fines than the First World War, which is of course communism. But Germany had a much better chance of winning World War II if it hadn't invaded USSR early and some other events. Actually, Germany tried to befriend the USSR, but invaded them anyways. Imagine it like this. Well, you are my best friend, so I wanted to well, what is it? Well, I wanted to backstab you. Well, wait, did you just say you want to backstab me? Yes. Why? Now, let's get on to the topic of this video. How could have Germany won World War II? Disclaimer, this plan is made by me and then if anything goes wrong, you know whom to blame. The first and the most basic step to start a war which would lead to a world war is. Any guesses? Well, if you think it is invading Poland, congratulations! You are wrong. Well, it is either align or annex Austria. In this scenario, we are going to annex Austria as we did. We will also invade Czechoslovakia as we did. The Allies are too busy drinking tea and eating baguette to notice. After you split Czechoslovakia as you and Hungary did before, tell Benito to not be an idiot and lose the African front. Instead, tell him to have his offensive there as soon as the war starts. Next step, invade Poland. This is of course going to go very well as it did in this timeline. After you declared war on Poland and started an offensive, wait till the Allies declare war on you. As soon as they declare war on you, congratulations, you have started a world war. After you and USSR invaded and split Poland into two, you need to focus on your French front. Just set up a defensive there. Don't let the French army advance. Instead, try and advance yourself. Tell Benito to do the same. Now, try and align with the Portuguese by promising them the Rhodesian lands. It is most likely that they will agree. Also, as Franco is in charge of Spain, align with him by promising him the Moroccan lands and the Strait of Gibraltar. And if they don't agree yet, promise them the French and the British lands in South America as well as Caribbean. As soon as they join your side, tell them to declare war on France. The French would not be ready for this and would be surprised. Try and defend your allies' homeland from the Royal Navy. Tell Spain to make sure that they are well defended on the African front. Next step, independence. As the British and the French have a lot of colonies, there can be more rebellions. And as there are more rebellions, there are higher chances of you winning the war. Now, you might be wondering in which places you can start a rebellion. Well, what about India or Egypt or Canada, Australia or South Africa? And as far as France is concerned, even though they are not, even in real life, you can start a rebellion in Algeria or Tunisia or their South American territories. Next step, find more allies. You can have a lot of allies in this scenario. You can ally yourself to Japan and Turkey because they can be pretty useful as they know their regions perfectly. Meanwhile, try and annex Benelux, and as soon as you do it, the easier it is for you to win the war. You can bring Turkey to your side by promising them their former glory and the Ottoman Empire. As soon as Turkey is by your side, tell them to invade Iraq and Cyprus. For Japan, you can help them conquer China. Make sure they do not make the same mistakes they made in this timeline. I am talking about the Pearl Harbor. Also, make sure that they do not invade USSR. Now, as you have Benelux, you can invade France through the only mistake in France's geography, the North European plain. Try and ally yourself to Finland by helping them restore Scandinavia. Now tell Turkey to invade French Syria and British Middle Eastern territories. Now they can also invade the British territories of Israel, Palestine and Transjordan. Next step, North America. After watching this video for so long, you might be wondering, isn't the US a thing in this universe? Well, it is. But it is too busy fighting rebellions supported by you to distract them. Ally yourself to Mexico by promising them the same thing you did in Zimmerman Telegram. But say them that you will help them restore the Mexican Empire. The civil war in India must be over because Japan is helping them. Now tell them to invade the British controlled lands in UAE and Yemen. Meanwhile, India must also invade Sri Lanka while they are invading UAE and Yemen because it is a very important port. Meanwhile, Japan must do the same thing they did in this universe. Invade China and Southeast Asia. Turkey must invade Greece and Hungary must invade Yugoslavia along with your help. Meanwhile, you must conquer France and take over the territories you did in this timeline and puppet the rest of France while giving Spain and Italy some of it. Next step, conquer more land. As soon as India finishes UAE, Yemen and Sri Lanka, they must focus on British Malaya and Afghanistan. They must also help Japan conquer China. Now, try and ally yourself to Ireland by promising them all the Celtic lands. As soon as Hungary finishes Yugoslavia, they must now invade Romania. Turkey must now invade Bulgaria and Albania. Meanwhile, Italy must conquer the coastline of British colonies in Africa and Turkey must take control of the Suez Canal. As the French are now your puppet, it will open a new front line in Africa that you must win anyway. Now India and Turkey must invade the rest of Middle East including Iran. And as South America must not be boring, tell Peru or Colombia to invade almost every country in South America. Expect Brazil. As soon as Peru or Colombia finishes the task, tell them to quickly invade Brazil and conquer the lands of Amazon rainforest. Next step, invade USSR. This is the most difficult and risky step because even if you make a slight mistake, you lose the war. Try to conquer as much land as possible before winter. As soon as the Russian winters occur, try to set up a defensive. Repeat this again and again until Moscow is in your hands. As soon as it is in your hands, congratulations, you have won the war. Final step, peace treaty. Everybody gets the land you promised them plus the lands they conquered. The rest of the land will have a fascist government. Now, only if I could go back in time and help Germany, this would be my plan. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for such amazing war plans. Goodbye.